I think that we're like in the sweet spot of where all this needs to happen, especially for this next generation of people that doesn't merely tolerate wanting to do their financial transactions online, they prefer it. My daughters are a 28-year-old. They don't want to go sit in a conference room with me and talk about investment planning. No chance. If they can do it over text or in an app, that is where this next generation is heading. So I think we have a really big opportunity to build a financial services firm for the next generation, hell-bent and laser-focused on the segment of the market that nobody's wanted to serve. Okay? Sometimes I get asked questions from, if I'm speaking in a room with a lot of financial advisors, well, are you competing with us? And I feel like absolutely not. These are the clients that you guys don't want. So I think there's a genuine opportunity through technology, through all of this disruption that's happening, to target this segment of the market with things that we coin at Blooom, we call WMD. And in our language, that's weapons of mass democratization. I think that's what we're building at Blooom. And the thing I love about technology is when it brings services to a group of people that never had access to something like this before. That is when technology is done for good. I mean, these people that we're helping right now at Blooom never would have had something like this before we created this.